Hello students, today we are starting with question number 6 of exercise 9.1. Now in this question we have the sale of electric bulbs on different days of a week is shown below. Here different days are given and in each day how many bulbs have been sold, that is given. Now here one thing is given that one symbol represents two bulbs. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 bulbs are there. So total 6 bulbs means it shows that 6 into 2 total 12 bulbs have been sold. Since one symbol represents two bulbs, that means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 bulbs have been sold on Monday. So since there are 6 symbols are there, so and in each bulb shows 2 bulbs, each symbol shows 2 bulbs and there are 6 symbols, so 6 into 2, 12. Now observe this pictograph and answer the following. Now the first part is how many bulbs were sold on Friday. Now see, on Friday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 symbols are there on Friday, and in each symbol shows 2 bulbs. Since total 7 symbols are there, so 7 into 2, 14 bulbs were sold on Friday. Now coming to the next part, on which day were the maximum number of bulbs sold? To find this, we need to find that the bulbs have been sold on each day. Now see, on Monday, total 12 bulbs were sold. Now on Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 symbols are there. So 8 into 2, 16 bulbs were sold on Tuesday. Now on Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 symbols are there. That means 4 into 2, 8 bulbs were sold on Wednesday. On Thursday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 symbols are there. So 5 into 2. Every time we are multiplying with 2 as one symbol represents 2 bulbs. So 5 into 2, 10 bulbs were sold on Thursday. And on Friday, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 symbols are there. So 7 into 2, 14 bulbs were sold on Friday. On Saturday, 4 symbols are there. So 4 into 2, 8. And on Sunday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 symbols are there. So 9 into 2, 18. Now the question is, on which day were the maximum number of bulbs sold? Maximum means the highest number. Here if you see the number 12, 16, 8, 10, 14, 8, 18. 18 is the maximum one. So on which day? It will be Sunday. On Sunday, maximum number of bulbs were sold. On which of the days same number of bulbs were sold? Now if you check this number, here is 8 and here is also 8. That means it has been sold on Wednesday 8 bulbs were sold and on Saturday 8 bulbs were sold. So that means Wednesday and Saturday same number of bulbs have been sold. So answer will be Wednesday and Saturday. Now coming to the next part, on which of the days minimum number of bulbs were sold? Minimum means the least number. Least number is 8 out there. So that means the same answer, Wednesday and Saturday minimum number of bulbs were sold. It will be Wednesday and Saturday. Now coming to the last part, if one big carton can hold 9 bulbs, how many cartons were needed in the given week? Now cartons means one big box. One box contains 9 bulbs. Now we need to find the total number of bulbs were sold in whole week. So if you add this all, then we will get the total number of bulbs were sold. Otherwise, we can count the symbol and then we will multiply by 2, because one symbol represents 2 bulbs. So how many bulbs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Total 43 bulbs were sold, and each bulb, each symbol represents 2 bulbs. So therefore 43 into 2, total 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Total 86 bulbs were sold in the given week. Now it is said that one carton, means one big box, can hold 9 bulbs. So how many cartons were needed to for this bulbs? So number of cartons needed, 86 divided by 9, because one carton can hold 9 bulbs. So 86 divided by 9. Now if we divide this, 9 9s are 81. So if we divide this, what we have observed that, see, 9 cartons were needed for 81 bulbs. Now 5 bulbs were left. That means we cannot make the cartons half. So what we have to do, we need to we need one more cartons. We need one more cartons to put 5 bulbs. So that means after 9, 10 is there. So total 10 cartons were needed in the given week to put 86 bulbs. So this is the last part of this question. Thank you, students.